At the Helm is brought to you by Boat US. Better boating starts here.
Coming alongside a dock in a twin-engine boat is always fun and easy, right? Well, not always. This time on At the Helm with Boat US, 3 easy steps to a stress-free twin-engine docking.
Hey folks, Lenny Rudo here for Boat US Magazine. You know, at Boat US, we are boaters, so we understand that docking your boat can be the most stressful part of the day. That's why we do have a video on our channel of how to dock a single-engine powerboat. But today, I'm on a twin-engine powerboat, and I need to get it from right here to up against that fuel dock. How's it gonna happen? Don't worry, it's actually really easy as long as you know these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, look at an indication of the wind and the current. Say a flag for the wind and something in the water, see how it's moving so that you know ahead of time how that current is going to affect your boat as you bring it up to the dock. Step number 2 is to approach the dock slowly. It's amazing how often folks come in hot and then something happens, like say an engine stalls out and they end up smacking the piling. Now as you approach the dock, you want to do it at as shallow an angle as possible just to make it as easy on yourself as possible. And to turn the boat, leave the wheel centered. Remember, this is twins now. If I shift my starboard throttle into reverse and then I shift my port throttle into forward, the bow of the boat will swing around to the starboard. If I'm coming in from the opposite direction, I just do it the opposite. And of course, I'm going to come in from the direction that allows me to keep the boat headed into the wind. This gives me the most control over the boat. As I come up close to the pier, I'll just give it another little shot of reverse to slow her down, and boom, I'm ready to grab my lines and tie the boat up. One thing I want to be sure to point out, as you're coming in, if you fend off, whatever you do, make sure no body parts get in between your boat and the piling. That's how people get hurt. Holy cow, did you see that fuel bill? I'm not sure I should have stopped in the first place. Seriously though, folks, just remember those 3 simple steps. Check for the wind and the current, approach slowly, and then use your throttles, not your wheel, to turn the boat sideways to the pier, and you'll be just fine.
Thanks, Lenny. Maybe, just maybe, this advice will help make docking more fun. For more At the Helm with Boat US tips and tricks, visit BoatUS.com, because better boating starts with Boat US.
Boat US has been looking after the interests of recreational boaters for over 55 years. Our goal? To make boating better, safer, and worry-free. From coast to coast and over 600 towboats strong, the Towboat US fleet is the nation's largest. So when you need help on the water, you're not alone. For a day of worry-free boating, take us with you by downloading the Boat US app to get a tow or check weather and tides. Better boating starts here. Join today.